I hope you all know me or either way. So I will just introduce myself. I'm Dr. Sudeep Prabhu. I've done SIR's course in 2019, and post that I've continuously learned from SIR and all of you through the group. I am a doctor by profession. I'm a dentist, and I also am a restaurateur now, and I love doing new things. So trading is now my tertiary business, not my primary business. And I think trading a lot of times has a bad name that you can't make money. I just want to break the myth. I feel trading, if you do it like a business, you can make money. Today I am not here to talk about any of the candlesticks. I think we have far more better people than me who understand the markets better, who understand the trends better, no better than Sir himself. So I'll be talking about things that I rely my trading upon, and that's about it. So hitting the bullseye, as we can all see, this small cutting, snow is falling. कोणीतरी म्हटलं snow is falling, सगळ्यांनी snow stockला sell करून टाकलं, right? So that's the way it works in the market. Next slide. Yeah. So if trading was just technical, machines would do it better. Don't we all agree? I mean, we all have machines. If RSI is 20, buy. If RSI is at 80, you sell. If it was that easy, then you just put an algo. RSI, and even I did that, very honestly. In the beginning starts, I did that. 20 को buy किया, 80 को sell किया, 20 को buy करने के बाद ही sell कर दिया 15 को. So that's something that we need to be very careful. Next slide. So I believe my journey of trading started with Sir, and first there are two very important Saraswati and Lakshmi in a Hindu tradition. So Saraswati is learning. You first learn the art and then you trade. Most of us don't do this. You know, we always want to make money, but we are always, now all of us are here. We all know a lot of things, but we are all here to learn more and more. So when I am even on the Prime group, I am continuously looking at other people's messages, not disregarding anybody. We are all here to learn. Everybody has a different pathway to reach the same success. So that's very important. And next. So first you go from learning to trade to earning to trade, and then you come back, because there is no stopping you from learning more and more. Like e-margin, excellent concept. Something I didn't know, very honestly. I never had heard about it. So that's something new, right? So that's the heart, and that is what happens at 9:15. I'm sure 9 o'clock, 9:15 till 3:15. ये धक. I'm a doctor, so BP control में होना चाहिए तो ही trade करो, ना तो मतलब नहीं है. This is what exactly होता है. So learn to be a Buddha while you trade. In मराठी म्हणतात पोटातलं पाणी हलायला नाही पाहिजे. Whatever money you put, किती लॉस दिसू दे, तुम्हाला अशी भीती वाटली, धक झालं, ट्रेड बंद करा. Stop trading. It is not meant for you, right? When you are in a business and when you are that's my next concept. But चला हळू मी सांगतो तुम्हाला. मी 15-10 मिनिटं घेणार. इथे टाइम वॉच लावलेले आहे. The more you run after it, the more it runs away. गाड़ी, बस, लड़की, सब कुछ, आप जितना उसके पीछे भागोगे उतना आपसे दूर भागेगा. मत भागो, एकदम आराम से ट्रेड करो. Be very mindful when you are trading, and be very patient. The profit has to come. किसी भी धंधे में, I started my dental journey. I have now 3 clinics of my own, 5 clinics as a franchisee. I started, and trust me, after airline, dentistry is a very difficult business. You see so many dentists around, and it's not easy to be profitable. We started from scratch, making 8 clinics now and more, all of them profitable. Then I started a restaurant business, which again lot of people said कि नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलता है, बर्गर तो हर कोई बेचता है. I said हम बेचेंगे, हम प्रॉफिट बनाएंगे, वो भी प्रॉफिटेबल है. एंड ट्रेडिंग ऑल्सो, बहुत ने बोला अरे यार स्टार्टिंग में प्रॉफिट होएगा, बाद में लॉस होना शुरू होगा. नहीं, मेरा उल्टा हुआ. स्टार्टिंग में लॉस था, अभी सिर्फ प्रॉफिट है. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन. So first, before you being a trader, please consider this like a business. आपने एक दुकान ले लिया है, दिन 1 पहले दिन में आपको सीखना होगा. आपके पास कस्टमर्स नहीं आएंगे, आपको राइट थिंग्स करते रहना है. एंड यू कीप डूइंग द राइट थिंग्स, you will make money. So if you are getting a salary, day 1 you salary 31st को आजकल बहुत लोगों को आती है कॉर्पोरेट्स में. और फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आपके डेज रहते हैं जिस दिन आप यू फील ग्रेट, राइट, बिकॉज इट्स कॉन्स्टेंट लीनियर. मेरे लिए फर्स्ट इज द वर्स्ट डे बिकॉज मेरा बैंक अकाउंट आई डोंट नो क्या लेवल से क्या लेवल पहुंच जाता है. आई हैव टू पे सैलरी टू ऑलमोस्ट 60 पीपल, सो माय बैंक अकाउंट्स आर क्लीन ऑन day 1, राइट. सो दैट्स द swing and swing low that you see in business. Lower is constant reward. Constantly आपको कंपनी अप्रिशिएट करते रहती है इन सम काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. वी आल्सो गिव इंसेंटिव्स, ये वो आपके सामने कैरेट रख दिया जाता है. I am not demeaning people who are working. Even I work at a lot of hospitals, so there's nothing wrong in working. I'm just saying that when, just like stock market, when your rewards are less, your risk is less. When your rewards are more, your risk is more. So again, most important now that I'm running 3 businesses, it's a tax deductible event. TDS कट के आता है. You have the government just doesn't give you anything. अगर आप या हम टैक्स चोरी करा बोलो जो भी बोलो, we save a lot of taxes by showing a lot of expenses. So that's again a way where we do it, and it's a non-scalable. Business is scalable, though I don't feel trading is scalable. That is my perspective. I think एक level तक ही आप trading कर सकते हो, उसके ऊपर it's difficult to scale it. And your presence. So the most important part of business is that it's not about self-employment. The clinics, my restaurants are even working now while I'm talking, even making now. So trading का वो advantage है. अगर आप screen के सामने चिपके हो तो यू आर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड, देन यू आर नॉट डूइंग अ बिजनेस. अगर आप स्क्रीन को छोड़कर जा सकते हो एंड अगर आपका कैपिटल जीरो भी हो और आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, देन यू आर डूइंग बिजनेस. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई कॉल योर ट्रेडिंग इज एज अ बिजनेस. अदरवाइज यू आर गैम्बलिंग बिकॉज आप कॉन्स्टेंटली स्क्रीन को चेक कर रहे हो. अरे बड़ा क्या कम होगा, अरे कम हो गया क्या होगा, दैट डजंट वर्क. इट्स लाइक एक एक करके. सो नाउ दिस इज जस्ट माय अकाउंट. आई एम गोइंग टू शो first April, 30th April, okay, 64,000 loss. I'm in some trade. Let's not get into what trade. I'm into some trade. We'll only see this figure. This figure we can also see, but mainly right side देखना है हम लोग. Realized profit 64,000 loss में हूँ मैं April month में. Wow, क्या हो गया? May suddenly 2.58 lakhs. Okay. So 3 लाख बना. That means May के महीने में. Crazy, great, right? Next slide. Wow, another month of profit. 4 lakhs हो गया. Wow, that's great. Next. 4 becomes 6. Now it's constant, boss. Job वॉब सब छोड़ दो, ट्रेडिंग ही करो. 2 लाख every month बना रहे हो. 7/31 तक तो मैंने 6 लाख बना लिया है. Next. नहीं, इतना अच्छा नहीं है ट्रेडिंग यार. कभी कभी लॉस भी होता है. चलो 6 का 4 हो गया, मुझे वापस 6 करना है. दिस इज आवर माइंडसेट. ये नहीं करो. मैं भी करता हूँ, हर कोई करता है. इफ यू डू दिस यू आर बाउंड. इट इज अ बिजनेस. सम मंथ्स यू विल मेक प्रॉफिट, सम मंथ्स यू विल मेक लॉस. यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूअसली ट्राई टू डू द प्रोसेस. हर किसी को लॉस होता है, मुझे बहुत ज्यादा लॉस होता है, बट द P&L शुड बी ग्रीन. नेक्स्ट. कितना हुआ? अच्छा 6.22. ये तो मैंने तो टाइम पास ही हुआ. पूरा टाइम वैल्यू डीके हो गया. लाइफ का टाइम वैल्यू, नॉट ऑप्शंस का टाइम वैल्यू. लाइफ का टाइम वैल्यू डीके हो गया. नेक्स्ट. ओह गॉड, अक्टूबर आ गया. रिमेंबर वी वर एट 6 लाख सम टाइम बैक, राइट? पहले 2 महीने में 6 लाख पे. अभी अक्टूबर आ गया, 6 महीना हो गया, 3 लाख पे पहुंच गए. क्या हो रहा है? नेक्स्ट. ओके, वापस 6 लाख पे आए. ओके, this is November. Okay, next. And back at 11 lakhs. Okay, that's the fun of market, right? Don't be overconfident. When you are at 10 it can become 0. पोटाचं पाणी हलायला नाही पाहिजे. Okay, and if it goes up you are making money, if it goes down you are learning, right? So either you learn or you make money or you earn. There is no two ways about it. Don't take it too much to the heart. Oh, I'm not a good trader. Oh, what will other people tell about me? क्या लोग बोलेंगे? आपके P&L से आपको फर्क पड़ता है. लोग आपके बारे में क्या बोले कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. If you get out from a Mercedes कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप क्या बिजनेस कर रहे हो. As long as you have it, right? Next. And this is my Jan. So my idea is that it should be in green. Whether it is 1 lakh, 10 lakhs or 1 crore, that is number 1. Number 2 is that every year on year it should increase. then you are year on year, जैसा every stock market जो हम stocks करते हैं, every company का यही होता है कि year on year, month on month, quarter on quarter profitable हो तो उस कंपनी में हम इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. So invest your time in your life only in businesses where you are making profit. If you are not making profit, understand why you are not making profit. If you are still gambling, then okay, that's also good, but that's something which I don't do with this. I go to Vegas. So the other day I was playing poker with my friends. I had gone out and I lost around 40,000 in it. And a few of my friends were like, इतना हारा. मैंने कहा पोकर में हारोगे तो जिंदगी में जीतोगे. I never make money in gambling. That is where you have to lose money because you have to make money in life. Okay, next. Now this is very important. A lot of us, whenever we see little profit, we get excited and we close the trade, right? And when we see a loss, उसको हम अपना बच्चा बना लेते हैं, हम उसके साथ रहना शुरू कर देते हैं. ये मेरा ही स्टॉक है, right? So whenever you're in loss, so before आप कभी भी जब लॉस में हो और आपको लगता है keep everything aside, अगर आपको लगता है मैं गलत हो गया हूँ, just come out of the trade. Doesn't matter where it goes, just leave it. Okay, don't think about too much about it. Profitable trades, don't be impatient. I am in this Asian Paint trade जो दिख नहीं रहा है बराबर, almost at 1 lakh profit. I put it on the group also. I'm looking at 8 lakhs profit and 4 lakhs loss. Period. 8 lakh profit. Obviously, when I turn over, वो profit booking करनी पड़ेगी. But I know my direction. I know where I'm entering, where I'm exiting, and that is where it's going. I have 2 more minutes. So in marriage and in trading, think first. There is no option of thinking later on. Okay, next. नहीं तो लग जाएगी. सोचो और फिर ही बढ़ो. 90% of us, अरे एशियन पेंट ऊपर जा रहा है, ले लेता हूँ. अरे नहीं करो भाई, लग जाएगी. सोचो, इसमें भी डिवोर्स महंगा पड़ जाएगा, उसमें भी डिवोर्स महंगा पड़ेगा, एलिमनी देनी पड़ेगी. So please be careful that you don't trade unless and until you have a setup, unless and until you know कि आपका risk reward ratio, sir brilliantly explains it, it's the concept. आप कोई भी strategy use करो, if you do not have a risk and reward, लग जाएगी. Finally, what do you do of making the what do I do? And I don't know what you all do, but I invest in mutual fund because I think that's the best way to compound, a little bit in equity also, but whatever money I make, I invest in mutual funds. I grow my capital. So शेयर मार्केट में वही राजा है जिसके पास कैश है, एंड सबका अलग अलग है. दिस इज वन कंसेप्ट आई वांट टू ब्रेक. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक अरे मेरे पास तो 10,000 ही है, मैं क्या ही करूंगा. आप 10,000 में भी राजा हो सकते हो अगर आपने फिर 100 रुपए इन्वेस्ट किया है, बिकॉज यू शुड हैव एटलीस्ट 9 times द कैपिटल. आई एम सॉरी, आई maybe not in terms of what sir is saying, sir is more right, but this is my concept कि मुझे हमेशा सेफ्टी, मैं गाड़ी जब भी चलाता हूँ, मैं पेट्रोल का mark doesn't go below half. I like to play safe. I like to have extra fuel. कुछ भी हो जाए, you need more energy to put in. So if you have 10 lakhs, only invest 2 lakhs. If you have 2 crores, only invest 14 lakhs. Imagine is a great concept, but when I was just going to ask sir that अगर 10% नीचे आ जाए तो आप क्या करोगे? And when the company, when any broker will ask you to put more funds or close, square off, then you must be in an amazing trade. आपका setup right है, पर आपके पैसे ही नहीं है, so that doesn't work. And most important is, I believe, and this is something I know, this is off the market. This is a new car I bought. I just pampered myself. It is, was the day of delivery. That's why I was a little late, so I took the delivery today. But anyways, I believe in charity and donation. I'm sorry, I really, wherever I get a chance to speak, I do make this. Charity doesn't just mean NGO. आपके जो staff है, आपके जो लोग हैं around you, your bellman, your watchman, anybody, pamper them with a lot of money. Recently, I was doing my financial advising by somebody, and they told me that 20,000 आपका miscellaneous expense है, क्या कर रहे हो आप? मैंने बोला this is what I spend every month on my staff and other people. You know, I pamper, I give them like 500, लेट हो गया तो 500 ले ले, ऐसा करता हूँ. तो they like sir ये SIP में डालोगे तो इतना होगा. मैंने कहा no, I am compounding in people. So That is the biggest thing that we can have. Compound in people, give more money, get more money. That's the way. If you all are not bored, and next slide, next time we have such a function, I will not talk about the psychological part, but this is one where I took Asian Paints when I entered. You see this big line down, but in the same chart in the cash position, you don't see that line down. So futures where this line down just came to break positions. This was my entry point. I knew I'm entering with 2000 quantity of stock in Asian Paints when I saw this. So if there's a chance to speak next time, I'll definitely speak about my strategies. And thank you for listening to me. Thanks a lot.